Yo, what's good, guys? Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. If you guys are new here, I'm Adrian. I make videos on my 2021 Mustang GT. So anyway, for today, I'm really excited because we're finally gonna go get the headers installed on the Mustang. I got Texas Speed catless long tube headers, and we're gonna be, throwing them on the car. I'm gonna take it to the homie Alonso, and he's gonna be putting them on for me. So shout out to him for that. He's got a badass Ellis swap Miata. If you guys want to check that out, I'll put his link to his channel on the description. Thing's a beast. I'm trying to get a run with them. That'll be sick. I'm sure you guys want to see that. But anyway, it's gonna be the first mod for the Mustang. So far I have the stock air intake. I did have an MBRP catback, but I took it off. So yeah, that's literally, it's gonna be headers and E85 Lund tune only. But yeah, I'm excited. So came to the bank, took out some cash real quick, and yeah, we're headed over to the shop to drop the car off. Then I'm gonna head to the gym because I'm not trying to just be in their way, because they're gonna be doing the install. But yeah, anyway, I'll pick up the camera once I get to the shop. I'll show you guys their cars if they have them there at the shop. Let's get it.
Yeah, they're in the fucking non-resident.
In the citizens are resident.
Yeah.
Oh, gotta struggle getting in here first. Come on, man.
Rev the cold engine.
right, guys, so this is gonna be like what it sounds like from the inside. It's honestly, I like the sound because it's really quiet. Like, you honestly can't even tell it has headers, you know. Like, this is normal driving. It's, you know, it's just in drive. And yeah, we're just cruising. There's no drone at all inside the car. Window down, I'll put it up. But yeah, like absolutely no drone inside the car. Right now I've got the back seats down because the stock cats are back there. But yeah, like you can only hear it once you get on it. Watch, let's see, give it a little gas right here. Yeah, like you can't tell, you know, that you've got headers. It's pretty quiet. The startup, and obviously like at higher RPMs it is going to be louder than stock, but it's not that much of a difference. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video for those of you who want to get headers but, you know, want to know what it sounds like with the stock exhaust. Yeah, this is a inside view, I guess, so you guys could hear what it sounds like. But yeah, it's not bad, honestly. You guys could throw an X pipe on there. That's probably what I'm planning to do, X pipe or H pipe. But yeah, that's what it sounds like from the inside, just regular driving.